Moving on to question number 10. What relation do I have? Put tan y is equal to 3x minus x cube divided by 1 minus 3x square. நமக்கு என்ன formula தெரியும்? You know that tan 3y is equal to 3 tan y minus tan cube y divided by 1 minus 3 tan square y. In the relation நமக்கு தெரியுமா? So how can I rewrite this? What do you see here? I only have a tan y, but in the இடத்துல tan 3y இருக்கு. So I'm going to remove the 3. So what will happen? Tan y is equal to, this formula changes like this. So tan y by 3. It is not 2 here. So it is going to be tan of y by 3 minus tan cube y divided by 3. The whole divided by 1 minus 3 tan square y divided by 3. ஏன் புரியுதா? Here I have 3y. So y. இந்த இடத்துல y ஆச்சுனா, this is going to be y by 3 and y by 3. Okay? Clear? Now, when I compare these two, what do I see? I have x here, x cube, x square. So this when I equate, I'll have tan y by 3, tan cube y by 3 and tan square y by 3. Correct? So when I try to compare these two, what do I see? X is equal to tan of y by 3. So it is very similar to the previous question. Pona question I had 3 equal to tan y by 2. Inge y by 3 irukku. That is the only difference. Now, taking the derivative on both sides, I have d by dx of x is equal to d by dx of tan y divided by 3. So the derivative panna enna agum, differentiate panna, d by dx of x is simply 1 equal to tan oda derivative enna, it is going to be secant square y divided by 3. But always remember to take the derivative of y by 3 also. Now 1 is equal to 1 by 3 is a constant. So when I take that out, I'll have 1 divided by 3 into secant square y divided by 3. Derivative of d by dx. So in that y vandrum. Okay. Now what happens to my final answer? dy by dx is going to be 3 இந்த பக்கம் கொண்டு போனா I'll have 3 divided by secant square y divided by 3. என்ன relation தெரியும்? secant க்கும் tan க்கும் I have 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. அப்ப இந்த secant theta வை tan formula எழுதலாமா? So I can rewrite this as 3 divided by 1 plus tan square y divided by 3. But what is my tan y by 3 from here? It is simply x. So இதை rewrite பண்ணா I'll have 3 divided by 1 plus x square. So this is my dy divided by dx. Please copy. Question number 11. Y is equal to cos inverse of this particular term. So, இப்போ இதை பார்த்தாலும் என்ன தோணுது? First of all, I can rewrite cos y is equal to 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. So, இதை எப்படி rewrite பண்ணலாம்? I know that cos 2y equals 1 minus tan square y divided by 1 plus tan square y. So, இந்த இடத்துல I see that I have a cos y. இந்த இடத்துல cos 2y இருக்கு. அப்போ இதை rewrite பண்ணா cos y is equal to 1 minus tan square, what happens to the theta here? Y by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square y divided by 2. So on comparing, what do I see? X square, tan square y by 2, tan square y by 2. So idhile enna relation theriyudhu? X is equal to tan y divided by 2. So it is very similar to the 9th question. So in the இடத்துலயுமே what did we receive? We received that x is equal to tan y by 2. So இங்கேயுமே அதே தான் வருது. X is equal to tan y by 2. So when I derivate on both sides, d by dx of x is equal to d by dx of tan y divided by 2. d by dx of x is 1 equals tan order derivative secant square y by 2 d by dx of y divided by 2. So 1 is equal to 1 by 2 வெளியில எடுத்தா I'll have secant square y by 2 d by dx of y. So it is going to be dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to 2 divided by secant square y by 2. I can rewrite this as 2 divided by 1 plus tan square y by 2. Tan y by 2 is simply x. So 1 plus x square. So it is going to be 2 by 1 plus x square. Please copy. Moving on to question number 12. So இதுக்கு மேல we cannot do substitution. Why? Because இந்த இடத்துல என்ன relation இருக்கு? When you rewrite this, I get sin y is equal to 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. But நமக்கு என்ன relation தெரியும்? You only know that cos 2y is equal to 1 minus tan square y divided by 1 plus tan square y. But இங்க என்ன இருக்கு? I have a sin here, I have a cos here. So you can no more use such relations like you solved until the previous question. இப்போ ரெண்டு பக்கமும் தனித்தனியா தான் derivatives கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Okay? So what will happen? d by dx of sin y equals d by dx of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. So இப்படி தான் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So first I'm going to find the derivative of this. So what happens? d by dx of sin y is equal to cos y times t by dx of y. Correct? So, if cos y enna, you already know what your sin y is from here. So, what relation do you know between sin and cos? You know that sin square y plus cos square y is equal to 1. In the relation theriyuma. So, idhile endu cos y kandupidikalama. What is cos y? Cos y is equal to square root of 1 minus sin square y. But what is your sin y from the question? It is this 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. So, idha kandupidicha enna agum? I'll have square root of 1 minus sin square y. So, this is going to be 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square the whole square. So, idoda square root first kandupidikanum. So, what will I have? I'll change the color. So, I have equal to square root of 1 plus x square minus 1 minus x square the whole square divided by 1 plus x square the whole square. I'm trying to take the LCM here. Okay. So, if numerator open panna enna agum? I'll have square root of 1 plus 1 a plus b the whole square. Correct? So, 1 square plus x square the whole square. So, x power 4 plus 2ab. So, it is going to be 2 times x square minus open a bracket. So, I have in the a minus b the whole square. So, I have 1 plus x power 4 minus 2x square. Okay? The whole divided by 1 plus x square the whole square. I'm not going to open this because I have a square root. Correct? Now, what am I left with? Square root of 1 plus x power 4 plus 2x square minus, I'm going to open the bracket. So, I have minus 1 minus x power 4 plus 2x square divided by 1 plus x square the whole square. So, in the enna terms cancel agum? 1 and the minus 1 gets cancelled. X power 4 and minus x power 4 gets cancelled. I'll be left with 2x square. So, 2x square plus 2x square, I'm going to have 4x square divided by 1 plus x square the whole square. Square root of what will I have? Square root of 4 is going to be 2. Square root of x square is going to be x. So, 2x divided by 1 plus x square the whole square. Square root of I'll have 1 plus x square. Correct? So, what is this? This is my cos y. Inge enna pannittu varom? Cos y namu kandupidichittu varom, which is in terms of sin y already. So, this is nothing but cos y. So, when I apply this to what we found out, cos y is equal to 2x divided by 1 plus x square. So, in that enna varom? 2x divided by 1 plus x square times dy divided by dx. This is my LHS. Ivlo nera nama LHS da solve pannitrukom. You found out the derivative of sin y. So, this is for sin y. In that sin y. So, we have found out the derivative of sin y, which is simply this. Ipo RHS kandupidikanum. I need to find the derivative of this. I'll change the color. So, this is my RHS. So, ipo enna varapodhu? RHS. What do I have? Enna irukku? D by dx of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. So, it is d by dx of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. Idu eppadi kandupidikanum? You know that d by dx of u divided by v, division rule. So, it is v u dash minus uv dash the whole divided by v square. In the formula theriyuma? So, idu apply panna enna agapodhu? What is my u first of all? U is equal to 1 minus x square. V enna? 1 plus x square. What is my u dash? Derivative of 1 is going to be 0. So, minus 2x. What is my v dash? It is going to be simply 2x. So, the formula substitute panna enna kadikapodhu? D by dx is going to be, the derivative is going to be v u dash. So, it is 1 plus x square times u dash, which is minus 2x minus uv dash. So, it is going to be 1 minus x square times v dash and 2x. The whole divided by, don't forget your denominator, v square. So, it is 1 plus x square the whole square. Next step enna? In the I'm going to multiply this. So, this also put a bracket. Okay, vu dash kum put a bracket, otherwise you will get confused. So, I'm going to multiply this inside now. So, I have minus 2x minus 2x cube minus, open a bracket, I have 2x minus 2x cube the whole divided by 1 plus x square the whole square. So, when I open the bracket, minus 2x minus 2x cube minus 2x plus 2x cube. Minus multiply panna, I'm going to get this divided by 1 plus x square times x the whole square. Okay, in that enna cancel agapodhu? I see that minus 2x cube and the plus 2x cube is getting cancelled. What am I left with? Minus 4x divided by 1 plus x square the whole square. This is my RHS. Okay, the value that is marked in purple. So, this is my RHS. Now, LHS thaniya kandupidichachu, RHS thaniya kandupidichachu. I am going to equate both. LHS is equal to RHS panna. This is my LHS 2x divided by 1 plus x square dy by dx. And this is my RHS, 4x divided by 1 plus x square the whole square. இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் எழுதினா என்ன ஆக போகுது? I'll have 2x divided by 1 plus x square times dy by dx is equal to minus 4x divided by 1 plus x square the whole square. So what is my dy by dx? dy divided by dx is equal to minus 4x divided by 1 plus x square the whole square into, இது இந்த பக்கம் வந்ததுனா it is going to become the reciprocal. So I'll have 1 plus x square the whole divided by 2x. இந்த இடத்துல என்னென்னலாம் cancel ஆக போகுது? The x and the x is getting cancelled. 2 and the 4. So this becomes a 2. இந்த இடத்துல ஒரு square term போயிடும், இந்த இடத்துல இது போயிடும். So what am I left with? This is dy by dx is going to be minus 2 divided by 1 plus x square. So this is my final answer. You have to find the derivative of your LHS and the RHS and then equate both. Okay? Please copy.